Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jen, and today's tutorial is going to be about this quick sleek curly updo that I have on right now. So if you're interested in how I got this look, please keep on watching. We're going to be needing hairpins, any edge control of your choice, a hairbrush, and a rubber band. I prefer using rubber bands because they hold my bun in place, like they really hold it in place. So to get started with, I'm just going to be combing my hair out. My hair is actually still damp, that's why it keeps shrinking, as you can see from the video, but it wasn't really a bother for me because I could still put my hair in a bun. But if you can't put your hair in a bun while it's damp, I would advise that you actually let it dry out, then you put it in a bun. So next, I take my edge control and I apply it on my hair just to make my hair get a little bit sleek and easy to put in a bun. And I brush all of that in. Then I would take my rubber band and pack my hair in a bun. I feel like I'm repeating it too much, but yeah. Sorry about my struggle bun. And then I just take my pins and try to clip in any stray hairs, basically. You guys, sorry about this bun on my shoulder. I just couldn't be bothered to change my outfit. Now to the left of the party, we're going to be using this hair from Noble Gold, and it is in Gift. So yeah, this hole here is where your bun is basically going to be in, and then this band is to secure the bun so like the hair doesn't fly off when there's like a strong wind or whatever. But this is me trying to fix my bun into the hole I just showed you guys now. And once I succeed in doing that, I just hold the band on each end and I try to tighten it and make sure that it is well secured. And then I just go in like a crisscross manner. So I bring the band to the front of my bun, and then I cross it over, take it to the back, cross it over, and I just repeat this step until I have like very little band left, so I could just tie it up. So yeah, I'll just tie it once at the back of my hair after I'm done taking it back and forth and make sure it's well secured, and then I style my hair to how I like it. So next, I'll just take my edge control and try to sleek my edges. So after I'm done with that, I just take my bandana, or if you have a scarf, to tie it around your hair just to make sure that your edges aren't going anywhere. And after like 5 minutes or so, I took it out. It wasn't entirely dry, but I was kind of in a hurry, so I had to hurry up with the video, but it was okay for me. It dried along the way and my edges were still in place anyway. So that's all for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This hairstyle is really easy to achieve. It took me about 10 minutes to get everything done, obviously minus making the wig though, but 10 minutes max. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.